43 Bravo.
Finnair 8 November Romeo, descend to altitude 4,000 feet and reduce speed 180 knots.
Descend to 4,000, speed 180, Finnair 8 November Romeo.
Etihad 59 Victor, speed 160 knots, still 4 DME.
160 knots, still 4 DME, Etihad 59 Victor.
Swiss 43 Bravo, speed 160 knots, still 4 DME.
160 till 4 DME, Swiss 43 Bravo.
Etihad 59 Victor, so it's 160 knots to 5 DME. Etihad 59 Victor, speed 160 knots to 5 DME.
160 knots, still 5 DME, Etihad 59 Victor.
Finnair 8 November Romeo, 19 miles, touchdown, head right, 2400 and establish both lines of 27 left.
Right 240 and then establish 27 left, Finnair 8 November Romeo.
Etihad 59 Victor, contact tower on 118.505.
118.05, Etihad 59 Victor.
Etihad 59 Victor, cue the frequency, 118.505.
118.505, copy, Etihad 59 Victor, thank you.
Finnair 8 November Romeo, descend to altitude 3,000 feet, when established both lines are returned on the glide path.
Descend to 3,000 rotor, Finnair 8 November Romeo.
Director speed 118.
118, hello, 24 miles, 27 left.
27 left, speed 118.
Fibber 118, descend to altitude 4,000 feet.
So 4,000 feet, speed 118.
Swiss 43 Bravo, contact tower 118.505.
Did you call Swiss 43 Bravo?
Swiss 43 Bravo, affirm, contact tower 118.505.
Yeah, sorry, there was just an object right to the center line at about 7.5 miles, the same height as we are, seems to be a drone.
Swiss 43 Bravo, so just stay with me and say that again please so I can take notes.
Roger, I stay with you.
Romeo, localize established.
November Romeo, thank you.
And it might have been a drone at 7.5 miles of the final, just about 100 meters right of the center line at 2,500 feet.
Swiss 43 Bravo, that's all copy, thank you.
So we changed towers, Swiss Bravo?
FM 118.505, thank you.
118.505, so long, Swiss 43 Bravo.
And by brake, Fibber 118, turn right heading 240 degrees to establish local altitude 27 right, speed 180 knots.
Heading 240 established. Was that 27 left?
Fibber 118, 27 left, local altitude and speed 180 knots.
Okay, just establish 27 left, 180 knots, speed 118.
Pleasure 42 X-ray, speed 180 knots, 20 miles, 27 left.
Okay, 180 knots, 27 left, pleasure 42 X-ray.
Finnair 8 November Romeo, speed 160 knots until 4 DME.
Speed 160 until 4 DME, Finnair 8 November Romeo.
Time 1126, zone has been reported north of a 7.5 mile final for 27 left, altitude 2,500 feet, Heathrow.
And establish all class 10 with the glide, speed 118.
Pleasure 42 X-ray, turn right heading 180 degrees.
Heading 180 degrees, waiting for direction.
Hello, shuttle 1469.
1469, hello, 50 miles, 27 left.
27 left, shuttle 1469.
November Romeo, contact tower 118.505.
Tower 118.505, Finnair, November Roma.
Degrees to establish localizer 27 left.
Heading 240 degrees, establish localizer 27 left, Vision 40, sorry.
Speed 180 knots.
180 knots, shuttle 1469.
Speedbird 118, speed 160 knots until 4 DME.
16 to the 4, Speedbird 118. Speedbird 8, sir.
Speedbird 0, 2 miles to 27 left. Shuttle 1469, turn right heading 180 degrees.
Right heading 180 degrees, shuttle 1469.
Your 42 X-ray, the same glide path.
Number the glide, Vision 40, sir.
Speedbird 118, contact tower 118.505.
118.505, Speedbird 118.
Speedbird 80, descent to altitude 6,000 feet, QNH 1019 hectopascals.
6,000 feet, QNH 1019, Speedbird 8, sir.
And good morning, 375 Mike.
375 Mike, hello, it's 24 miles to 27 left.
27 left, 375 Mike, copy.
Speedbird 80, turn right heading 180 degrees, speed 180 knots.
Right, 180 degrees, speed 180 knots, Speedbird 8, sir.
Shuttle 1469, turn right heading 240 degrees to establish localizer 27 left.
Right heading 240 to establish localizer 27 left, shuttle 1469.
Vision 42 X-ray, speed 160 knots until 4 DME.
160 to 4, Vision 42, X-ray.
Speedbird 80, descent to altitude 4,000 feet.
Descend altitude 4,000 feet, Speedbird 8, sir.
Vision 42 X-ray, contact tower 118.505.
118.505, Vision 42, X-ray, bye.
Speedbird 80, turn right heading 240 degrees when established localizer 27 left, tank light.
Right, 240, establish localizer 27 left, descend flight path.
Shuttle 1469, descent to altitude 3,000 feet when established localizer to tank light.
Send out to 3000 when established localizer to send glide 27 left, shuttle 1469.
The broadcast with time 1128, John has been reported north of 7.5 miles fine after 27 left at altitude 2,500 feet at Heathrow Airport. Left heading 360 degrees.
Left heading 360 degrees, 375 Mike.
Speedbird 8, good luck, sir.
Breakfast over 276.
276, 2 miles, 27 left.
27 left through 276.
149, speed 160 knots until 4 DME.
164, shuttle 1469.
275 right, left heading 300 degrees, establish localizer 27 left.
Left heading 300 degrees and establish on the localizer 27 left, 275 Mike.
276 and right heading 180 degrees, speed 180 knots.
Right heading 180 degrees, speed 180 knots with 276.
Shuttle 1469, contact tower 118.505.
18505, shuttle 1469.
Localizer 27 left.
Right head 240 degrees, establish localizer 27 left, speed with 276.
275 Mike, establish localizer to tank left.
Establish on the localizer 27 left, descend with guard pass, 275 Mike.
Number 80, speed 160 knots until 4 DME.
16 14 me, stupid 8. Director, Shamrock 712.
Shamrock 712, 28 miles, 27 left.
712. Canal 315.
315, 21 miles, 27 left.
And 375 Mike, can we get further descent?
275 Mike, that's altitude 3,000 feet, by the vertical.
And to 3000 feet further vertical, 275 Mike, thank you.
Ground 315, speed 180 knots.
180 and 315.
Number 276, establish localizer to tank left.
Establish localizer descent glide path, speed 276.
Shamrock 712, speed 180 knots.
180 knots, Shamrock 712.
Number 80, contact tower 118.505.
18505 to 8.
315, turn right heading 180 degrees.
180 315.
Speed 75 Mike, speed 160 knots until 4 DME.
Speed 160 knots until 4, 275 Mike.
Establish localizer 27 left.
Heading 240, please establish localizer 27 left on 315.
Shamrock 121 left heading 350 degrees.
Left 350 degrees, Shamrock 712.
75 Mike, contact tower 118.505.
18505, 275 Mike, bye.
276, speed 160 knots until 4 DME.
160 to 4, speed with 276.
Time 1128, a drone has been reported north of a 7.5 mile final for 27 left at altitude 2,500 feet, Heathrow. RP15 on established localizer to tank light bus.
Light bus after localizer, alarm 315.
Number 276, contact tower 118.505.
118.505, so 276.
Shamrock 712, turn left heading 300 degrees, establish localizer 27 left.
Left 300 degrees, establish localizer 27 left, Shamrock 712.
Director, afternoon, speedbird 31 Charlie Echo.
31 Charlie Echo, good afternoon, 23 miles, 27 left.
27 left, speedbird 31 Charlie Echo.
Speed 180 knots.
180 knots, speedbird 31 Charlie Echo. Speedbird 160